3 plus 3 gives us 6, and 2 times 6 gives us 12. So 36 divided by 12 is just 3. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and then finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside these parentheses, we have one addition. Here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. So according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it's wrong. So first this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 3 plus 3, which equals 6. So 36 divided by 2 times 6. Now we have one division and one multiplication. So we have 36 divided by 2, which equals 18, times 6, which equals 108. And this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.